Hey yo, I've just bought the M10 Wireless Earbuds and here is the unboxing video. Let's unbox it together, you and me. Yeah. Like there is the box of the M10 Earbuds. It is the newest digital indicator true wireless headset. So as you can see the box, it's written Bluetooth Wireless V5.3, which is pretty good. It's like the latest Bluetooth version. And on this other side, as you can see, it's saying true wireless stereo, ultra small, call music, fast charging. And on this other side, it's saying wireless version V5.3, wireless profiles, transmission distance 10 meters. Yeah, pretty good. Charging about 2 hours, standby 280 hours. I think that's not true, but it's marketing. Then output 5 volts, 1A. Then on this other side, it's saying touch version. Yeah, loud, left, right. By the way, I first unboxed these earbuds before actually making this video, just to test it out like for some 3 days and give you my personal opinion about it. So you'll get that in the next video. What I truly think about those earbuds, how my test trial went, the battery duration, the what. According to me, not the box, because the box sometimes lies. It says maybe 5 hours, but then it's only 2 hours. So yeah, check out the next video for my personal review about it. So let's unbox it and see what's inside. I'm only going to use one hand because I'm using one hand for recording. Yep. As you can see, this is what is inside. I think these are the buds, the ones that go inside your ear, the earbuds. These ones. Yep. They come to left and right. Yeah. Then these are the touch sensors. I think you touch them, turn it on and turn it off. Yeah, those are the touch sensors. Then this is the case. The case of the earbuds. The case is black and yeah, it has a power bank inside whereby you can just attach those earbuds inside and charge them. Let's first see the user guide, the user manual. Let's open the case. Yep, here's the case. Let me try charging them, to power them on. I mean, it's already powered on. I'm just trying to charge them whether it really works, the case. Yeah, it works. The case really works. Yep, then you can close it and, wait for it to charge. After that, you'll use it. So, yeah. This is my review about the M10 earbuds. But check out the next video for my own personal review because I've tested it for about 3 days and I'll continue testing it for a week. Then I'll give you my personal reviews about how strong the battery is, the sound quality, and the rest. So, bye. Love you all.